I know, right? But the other person, guess what? It's being used, bitch. Yeah, she still is. Yeah. I don't got three people, bitch. There ain't no different perks that I need with this nigga other than the three I got. Yeah, but what's better than what I got? No, I don't know what the vowels is. They switched some shits. They're not so small. Huh? The views holding key is amazing. Alright, time to escape.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are...
Come on now. Don't I always? It's your boy. Speaking of that, it is your boy because these baby we bring you fresh content. Only I can bring you right up on Texas. So Massacre right now. Let's get it.
I have to find the others.
As you should. Not skip. I need my watch time, bitch. No, you need to have the long intros to have the fucking watch time, dickhead.
Look at this. Open doors with
Oh, I'm on pushing the 1,000.
Might be able to use this.
Bitch, all the videos are like, these are like 10-minute matches. Unless we fuck around. No, bitch, cause I get out quick. Get out? Like, fuck it. Alright. Oh, shit, I'm running into Leatherface. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Cause he just disconnected. Bro. Yo, we could lock all these doors, cuz. We could lock all these shit. So we can make all the noise we want. I'm not. Yeah. No, Leatherface is tough as fuck. A door behind him.
Must be a way out of here.
It depends on whatever we find first. Sometimes I be wanting to do vows and then I find the fuse verse. All types of shit. Why that sound like I just heard a chainsaw rapping? Or am I tripping?
I got this.
Oh, these motherfuckers I think coming downstairs. Oh no, they still up there. I'm by I'm by the main door. I already unlocked the main door for them. So they come down.
Do this.
Yeah, he coming down. Nah, hitchhiker. He just locked the damn door, bitch ass nigga. He down here now. see him?
Gotta be careful. Okay.
Word. I think they all downstairs with you.
That might help.
Bro, I can't find no valves or nothing. Like, what the fuck is going on?
I'm ready.
How the fuck they alert Grandpa and I ain't see nobody up here? I found the valve. Yeah. Nah, they upstairs, cuz. I'm looking right at Hitchhiker, nigga. And Sissy, cuz. They're over by the main thing going towards, like, the holding pen. They feeding Grandpa, I believe. Upstairs. And he said the valve is downstairs.
Get out. There's no way out.
Both these bitches over here getting fucking blood.
You come out.
Oh, it's another blood tank right by me.
Quickly.
Oh, shit. You do that, I can grab the valve.
Freaks are around here somewhere.
While you do that, I'm gonna grab this valve. I grabbed the valve. Oh shit, and I got the fuse.
Is this a way out?
You over by the holding pen still? I might use the fuse. They giving me the fuse option because these niggas is next to me. How the fuck I'm gonna bring you the valve?
Don't get seen. I can't get seen.
Guess what? Cause I'm about to come down because they about to move. They chasing me. I'm out.
Now,
Booking
where
it.
do
I'm
you
booking
go?
it. I'm booking it. Upstairs. Fuck, motherfucker. Yeah, good shit. shit, he fucking caught me up right by the valve, cuz. Where you at? Where the fuck you at, cuz? Yeah, nigga. Come on, cuz. He about to kill me. He about to fucking kill me. Oh, shit, I'm dead. I'm in the West Tunnel, cuz. I'm in the West Tunnel, cuz. I'm by the leather. Where you at, cuz? You hit the nigga? I can't. I'm one more hit. I'm one more hit. I gotta find help. I gotta heal first, cuz.
Hurts bad.
Nope. I got caught. Help me, cuz. I can't. I can't. I can't. I'm coming back around. I dropped the valve. I dropped the views. I dropped the. You picked the fuse up? This ain't good, cuz. Oh, he about to kill me. He got me. He got me. He fucking got me. Yo, this ass. How we lose to two people? I was trying to get too much points. I was busy. Yeah, God.
This. Yes, I can use that. Might be safe now. Need to find a way out.
That nigga hitchhiker annoying. The fuse is upstairs though. It's up by the It's up by, you know where the holding pin is. If you go to the left of it, that one room where the All right. Yeah, good. I'm axing that shit, the dash. I'm axing the exit. It won't let me exit. I'm pressing A. Do you want to exit this game? I wonder if I'm getting XP every time I press B and A. I'm going to sleep early tomorrow. And then that way I can have a lot of rest for Thursday. Sleep early tomorrow, Wednesday, be right rested for Thursday because 2K drops at night. He said, what, Bendejo? He said he can't hear you. Well, he stopped talking. Maybe now he can't hear me. I'm gonna play one more cousin, then I'm gonna go get tucked in. You making the center first build, cuh? Yeah, that's important because you don't want to be playing that motherfucking.
Search continues in Muerto
I'm
County
about to
for a
exit
missing
this one.
University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of
Now I'm
Uvalde, was
about
last
to
seen near the
escape
town of Newt.
and
Her
then
vehicle was
quit.
recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the
Man, once Leatherface disconnected that shit, and then you know what happened? We all ended up disconnected.
will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with
Let's stick together.
Bitch, bitch, that had nothing to do with the fuck you mean. Nah, I was out of stamina the whole time, bro. I never had full stamina because he was on my hip. You don't understand. That fucking hitchhiker was hitchhiking. And that nigga, he was doing good though. Like he was checking like cracks and everything. Like he was like on his shit.
Shit. Quick. Shit.
I just let this big ass nigga just run by me.
This is good. A lockpick. Be quiet. This will help. Anything will help.
The random about to open the door.
Okay.
The random running upstairs regardless.
Are they gone? They can't be, right?
I found the fuse.
Hey, what's this?
You Connie?
Are they gone? Stay away from me.
Oh, cause hitchhiker right over here setting traps and shit.
Just think. There's got to be a way out. Stay calm.
I got the fuse.
Locks, maybe.
Oh, and I got Leatherface chasing me.
Please, gotta help me.
I don't much enjoy
Look, fucking found me, bitch ass nigga. Oh, we all right here. Oh, the valve right there.
if you
Oh
just
shit. Nigga fucking me up, cuz. Cook fucking me up. Y'all got me. Kill me. I'm getting off, cuz. I'm playing like ass. I'm playing like ass, cuz. Go ahead, cuz. Bring it home, cuz. Phone. I had to fuse, man. Hitchhiker is fucking hitchhiking tonight, bruh. He don't hear nothing or nothing. The niggas that be using him just like on it. Sucking mad dick.
Can I use this?
This isn't good. I have to stop the bleeding.
These.
And you know where this door open, right? That front door. The front and the main exit.
What do we have here?
Yeah, that exit looking that way. In that direction.
This'll help the pain.
Wrong way. Look at cuz. Proud of you.
No. I knew they were here somewhere.
He's standing right there. You could just run through. You got enough help.
I'm safe. Enough.
You ain't even gotta use your little, you know what I mean? They all right there too. Look.
Do this! No.
Yeah, look at y'all. Let's go. Come on, I'll play again. It switches though. It's sometimes they do three. Nah, it's 3 different spots. There's 1 spot upstairs and 2 downstairs. Oh, this shit. I thought this shit dashed me. Yeah.
Yeah, you need to hurry up, nigga, and rank somebody else up, man. Cause that nigga Sonny really can't do shit.
That nigga Sonny do everything. Nigga, he lit. Ain't nothing like being able to see when these niggas coming. The fuck you talking about? That shit like no color style too. Yeah, cause the nigga coming this way. He coming this way right now.
Yeah, but that shit don't help if you
Oh
ain't got
shit.
somebody with you unlocking shit.
The fuck out of here. That shit help perfect when you play when you niggas ain't around. I gotta do this shit by myself to play. Sonny is the perfect nigga. I be gone. Pew. I need to go check my shit. I know I'm like up in the 20. I'm close to 30s. I ain't been family that many.
The last time I checked, I had 50. I had 117 games played.
Yeah, I'm probably up there, like 100 games. Like this bitch here, she kinda useless too though. If a nigga ain't got Cook or Johnny, this bitch is kinda useless.
Yeah.
Cause her,
She can run away. She can her ability is like endless stamina.
her shit really is for not to be detected by Johnny and Cook.
Yeah, I know, but it still gives her endless stamina when she uses it.
Shout out Julie though. Julie with the booty.
See, if I get the Valve thing, I'll give it to you, and we'll switch it, or I'll switch it with you, so that way you can
Yeah. Your ass dying to go through the basement.
and shit. I still don't know fuses. I know you
Nah,
can
that's a
exit.
fact.
I mean, I know where the fuse exit is. I just don't know where the fuses are. I know
They're
the fuse
on
is like
top is by
I
the
can't
meat
find them.
shops. Is on the side of each meat shop. Pause. The chop shops. The fuse
Oh, at
boxes
this?
on
Okay.
that
Oh,
map
we
we
at the
just
family
was. Yeah,
house.
but the map we just was on. I'll show you. We need to run
See, I know at the
privates.
family house. No, but I know at the family house. There's a fuse inside the house, or wherever you find it outside the house. You take it upstairs.
The
And you
search
put it in the fuse
continues in
box, and
Muerto
it's gonna
County
turn
for a
on.
missing University of Texas
Mhm.
student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby community of Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging.
Word.
I have to find the others.
Word up. Yep. Like 50.
What do I do with this?
I be stabbing up chickens and shit sometimes. Like I'll actually throw it at him, even though I lost it.
fuck. You about to come start slicing. Yep. Oh, this nigga Sonny would. Wow, he one hit me, bro. Amazing. I'm out. I'm out.
Oh my god, man, lose my mind. I can't wait to be mid.
Ramondre Stevenson went crazy on the Eagles.
Yo, the Eagles might be lose to the Patriots.
And they're down. They're up 11.
I need
They're
Hurts to
not.
figure it the fuck out. This dude
I need the
retarded.
Chargers to score 8 points right here.
Yeah, they are not up 11 anymore, everybody.
Oh, Herbert, please score. I'm not trying the Dolphins. I'm not trying to have the Dolphins be 1-0 without Ramsey. Kendrick Bourne sodomized the Eagles.
You know, the Bears the worst team ever.
Bears are great. They got no more draft pick.
Imagine Caleb Williams and a Justin Fields read option.
I fucking hate them so much, bro.
No, you hate Baker Mayfield. That's what you hate.
I think Baker Mayfield played awful. Well, not even awful. He didn't play awful, but I think he had them bad.
He played timely.
Fucking, they two clock merchants.
They had like empty stats like Kirk, you know?
Well, they ended the third quarter, and like the third quarter lasted like 12 seconds. So.
Chris Olave,
Clock merchant.
first game of the year, should have been his rookie of the year? Question mark.
Are we
Mac
gonna
Jones,
lose to Doug Dimmadome?
I think so. Jay might be the worst fade of all time.
Mac Jones celebrating by doing like some white man.
Maybe
fucking
Fade's a
high
park
five.
toy. Fade, are you park mate?
Get that grid.
Oh, me?
Yeah,
Shit.
maybe you're a park toy.
Nigga, I'm a 2K hooper, nigga. I'm about to just get my bag.
I like Spade. I ain't gonna lie. Spade just got too much confidence.
Yeah, nigga, I'm just getting off to a slow